Today I am reviewing the DJI Neo Fly More Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a lightweight, beginner-friendly drone that delivers professional quality footage, the DJI Neo Fly More Combo is an impressive choice. This mini drone combines advanced flying technology, a 4K UHD camera, and smart features that make capturing stunning aerial footage effortless for adults and hobbyists alike. Let's start with size and portability. The DJI Neo weighs just 135 grams, which makes it lighter than most smartphones. Not only is this convenient for carrying around in a backpack or even a pocket, but it also means the drone doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID in most regions. This makes it incredibly easy to take anywhere, whether you're hiking, going to a family barbecue, or just exploring the outdoors. One of the coolest features of the DJI Neo is its palm takeoff and landing. With the push of a button, you can launch the drone directly from your hand or safely land it there, making the flying experience intuitive and stress-free. You don't need to be a seasoned pilot to get beautiful footage. This drone makes it simple for everyone, from beginners to more advanced users. For creators, the subject tracking and QuickShots modes are game changers. The Neo can automatically follow you or a subject, keeping it perfectly framed while you move. With 8 creative QuickShots modes, you can capture cinematic footage without needing hours of editing or complex flight maneuvers. Whether it's a family picnic, a hiking adventure, or a vlog for social media, this drone ensures your content looks polished and professional. The Neo offers multiple control options, adding to its flexibility. You can fly it controller-free, using voice commands, the DJI mobile app, or the included RC-N3 remote controller. This variety of control options allows everyone, from beginners to more experienced pilots, to enjoy flying the drone and capturing footage in ways that suit their comfort level. When it comes to video quality, the DJI Neo truly impresses. Its 4K UHD camera with ultra-stabilized video delivers smooth, crisp footage even in windy conditions. The drone's level 4 wind resistance combined with DJI stabilization technology ensures that your shots are steady and cinematic, whether you're hiking, kayaking, or exploring a neighborhood. This makes it perfect for travel videos, vlogs, or documenting outdoor adventures with friends and family. Safety is always a concern with drones, especially for first-time pilots. The Neo comes equipped with full coverage propeller guards, so you can confidently navigate around obstacles, trees, or even indoors without worrying about crashes. These guards protect both the drone and your surroundings, giving you peace of mind while flying. Finally, the Fly More Combo package provides everything you need to get started and extend your flight time. It includes the DJI Neo drone, the RC-N3 controller, 3 batteries, a 2-way charging hub, and more. This means longer flight sessions, less waiting, and more opportunities to capture your adventures without interruption. In summary, the DJI Neo Fly More Combo is an excellent mini drone for adults who want portability, smart features, and professional quality 4K footage. With its lightweight design, palm takeoff, subject tracking, quick shots, multiple control methods, stabilized video, and extended battery options, it's a versatile and fun drone for any creator. Whether you're a beginner or just someone who wants to capture your adventures in cinematic detail, the DJI Neo makes aerial photography accessible, safe, and enjoyable. If you want a drone that's easy to fly, fun to use, and produces stunning content, the DJI Neo Fly More Combo is an investment that will elevate your creativity and make your outdoor adventures truly memorable.